Hello friends, today's story name is Pippin's Brave Splash. In the heart of the blue icy kingdom, little Pippin watched his friends leap into the sparkling ocean. He took a deep breath and ran to the edge, but his flippers shook and he stayed frozen on the ice. While the other penguins zoomed through the water like shiny silver arrows, the world felt very big and scary. Pippin tried splashing in a tiny shallow puddle, but he just went plop and sank right to the bottom. He tried again and again, but the water felt cold and Pippin felt like he would never be a real swimmer. His friend Siku waddled over and whispered, "It's okay to take slow steps, Pippin. I'll stay right here." Pippin finally glided through the waves, realizing that everyone learns at their own pace.
That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.